Hiya, I'm Richard Parks, your social media sphere strategist, and today I'm going to be giving a brief overview of the featured section. Have you enabled the featured section on your profile? If not, you are really missing a trick. This is a great way to promote and highlight your products and services or favourite post. Add as a minimum 2 to 3 items to your featured section. Once posted, look at these featured items on the desktop, the iPad and the mobile, and make sure the thumbnail images are appealing and all links work. To activate this feature, go to your desired post, and in the top right hand corner you will see 3 little dots. Click on these little 3 dots to produce a drop down menu and select the top item featured on top of profile. Go back to your profile and you will now see this post featured. If you wish to deselect this post, repeat the process and from the drop down menu select Remove Featured. Having established your featured section, look to keep your featured section fresh by editing your featured items at least once a week. Look to change the order maybe, I don't know, and delete any items that are no longer relevant or are out of date. Always look to add new items. So, if you've enjoyed this little video on the featured section, please drop a like and subscribe because I'll be doing 1 or 2 more of these short tutorials. So, thank you very much. I am Richard Parks, your social media sphere strategist. Take care now. Bye.